Welcome to 9th module. In this module, we are going to discuss about nomenclature of carbon compounds. IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, is the latest and widely accepted system for nomenclature of organic compounds all over the world. It has set certain guidelines for systematic nomenclature of organic compounds. According to this system, all organic compounds are considered to be the derivatives of saturated hydrocarbons, that is, alkanes. The name of a compound can consist of three components such as root, suffix, and prefix. Root indicates the number of carbon atoms in the longest continuous chain. The root word for a compound with one carbon atom is meth, that with two carbon atom is eth, one with three carbon atom is prop, one with four carbon atom is but, and one with five carbon atom is pent, that with six carbon atom is hex, one with seven carbon atom is hept, that with 8 carbon atom is oct, and so on. Next is suffix. This includes the phrase after in the organic compounds. It has two parts, suffix 1 and suffix 2. Suffix 1 indicates the saturation or unsaturation in the compound. The suffix for alkane is ane. The suffix for alkene is -ene. Then suffix for alkyne is -ine. Next, suffix 2. This indicates the presence of type of functional group. Suffix for alcohol is -ol. Suffix for aldehyde is -al. Then suffix for ketone is -on. And suffix for carboxylic acid is oic acid. Next, prefix. It includes the phrase before in the name of organic compounds. This indicates the substitution of hydrogen atom each from the basic carbon chain by any halogens such as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine, or branching methyl, ethyl, etc. and their position. Next is about numbering. The numbering of carbon atoms in the chain is done in such a way that the first carbon is nearest to the functional group or branching, double or triple bond. The position of unsaturation and functional group is indicated along with the suffixes. Let us see some examples. First, let us name the compound C2H5OH. Certain steps you have to follow. First step is, for the root name, count the number of carbon atom in the largest and continuous chain and number them. In this example, only one chain is there with two carbon atoms. So, root name is starting with eth. Next, suffix 1. As all the bonds present in the carbon atom is single, so the suffix is -ane. Next, suffix 2. The presence of functional group OH, that is alcohol, will replace E from the ethane with -ol. So, the compound name is ethanol. Here, OH group is present in the first carbon atom. So, we can write this as ethane 1-ol. Next, give the IUPAC name of the following compounds. First one C3H7Br and second C4H8. Let us start with the first compound, that is C3H7Br. For the root name, count the number of carbon atoms in the longest continuous chain and number them as per rule. In this example, only one chain with 3 carbon atoms, so the root name is prop. Next, suffix 1. As all carbon-carbon bonds are bonded with single bond, so suffix 1 is ane. So it can be named propane. Third, suffix 2. As the compound does not have any main functional group, so the name will remain propane. Next, a prefix. Here, the hydrogen atom in the second carbon is substituted by bromine. Thus, prefix bromo along with the position mentioned with the name, that is 2-bromopropane. Hence, the final name is 2-bromopropane. Let us go to the second question, that is C4H8. For the root name, count the number of carbon atoms in the largest continuous chain and number them as per rule. In this example, there is only one chain with 4 carbon atoms. So the root name is bute because only 4 carbon atoms are there. So it starts with bute. Next, suffix 1. There is one double bond is existing between the first and second carbon atoms. So suffix 1 ene added to the root name, making the name butene. As the second bond present between C1 and C2 and the lesser number is C1, so the location of double bond is 1. So the name is but1ene. Next, suffix 2. No functional group is present here, so the name remains as it is. Next, prefix. There is no substitution of any halyl or alkyl group, so no further change in the name. So the final name is but1ene.